Yeah, man. So it's just a positive vibration.
So you take those first and I get 20%. So okay, we can do something. So I'm going to work on that.
So from early, she have her own business idea.
Kiki tours.
Kiki too.
And the one that look like coconuts.
Yeah.
And the white ones, those are all the bees that we used to produce.
You don't mind my video?
Sure, no problem.
Okay.
Go ahead.
So you said the name of the business?
Reggae Island.
Reggae Island. How did you come up with that name?
Well, we live in a tropical country.
Yeah.
And it's on reggae. So
Yeah.
let's come together and it's a Reggae Island.
Yeah. So what is the influence behind making drills and
It's about nature and love that you put into it. And if it wants you, you make them happy.
Yes.
Yeah.
So how long now are you doing this?
I've been doing this all my lifetime, from my youth growing up.
Okay.
Yeah, it's 18.
So the influence is really from your
My grandparents.
grandparents.
Yeah.
Wow, and you carry on. So even when things seem like it's not going well, you still continue.
Still going.
So what give you the drive?
It's because I love doing it, and when I do, I think about my grandparents and all the love that they put in here, so that keep me motivated and keep going strong. Yeah.
Wow. So are they still alive?
No, she passed off in 2010 when she was 116.
Wow.
She's a long liver.
So she actually experienced you doing this?
All of this.
Wow. You can imagine how proud she would be of you now.
She was like, wow, I can't explain.
Yeah. So even though she passed at 116, how did you feel?
Well, I feel really good because, in her fear days, she didn't eat meat. She just eat coconut, yam, banana, all the foods that under her. She don't eat no meat at all, no thing in container, nothing like that.
Yes.
She just stick with the nature.
Wow.
So that makes you live even longer.
Yeah.
It's a blessing to live her time, and it is sad at first, but when looking to all the things that she do for me and the neighbor and the community and everybody, it just feels good.
Yeah. So are you continue that vegan journey of not eating meat?
Continue, but I'm trying to get my protein from the beans. So yeah, but I'm taking it one step at a time.
Okay, so your protein you get it from the beans
Yeah, and fish.
and fish.
Right.
Okay, that's not bad.
I'm a vegetarian.
No bad. So
Vegetarian.
how would you direct somebody to come to you? So this is the border of St. James and Trelawney. Border of St. James and Trelawney. So the man almost running at the man back. Yeah, I tell you. Yeah, man. So this is the direction to Reggae Island. Empress Jodian. Yeah, man. So whenever time you come to Jamaica and in Montego Bay, Reggae Island, it's at the border of St. James and Trelawney. Yeah, man. Come and support. Yeah, man. Reggae Island, Empress Jody. She have something for one and all. Yeah, from the baby, yeah, to the elder. Yeah, man, come in. And her spirit is so calm and welcoming. You know? So Jody, how do you come up with your ideas of the type of jewelry you make?
One of a kind.
One of a kind.
Yeah, you're not gonna see that design nowhere.
No, I'm just saying that at a specific moment,
Right.
what give you the inspiration to make, like, all right, say something like this.
Right.
Mhm.
You know, when I like sit down
Yeah.
and have things that worry me,
Mhm.
I try not to. I just take out my tools
Yeah.
and just get these things. The design is in the head, but I just get the material and just put it out.
Yeah.
And when I'm putting out, I'm just putting out everything. Putting my love, my courage, my patience, my time in it.
Yeah.
So when I do that, I find peace of mind.
Find peace of mind.
Right.
So this pendant, what would you say?
It's a shark tooth.
It's a sharp tooth.
Yeah.
Wow, wow. And
And those are board.
yeah, so if somebody asks you what does this sharp tooth represent, what would you say?
Well, it's come from the shark, you know.
Yes,
It can be dangerous and it can be calm.
and it can be calm.
Right.
Okay.
So it depends on the personality.
Depends on the personality.
Right.
So whatever personality person would you sell this to?
Well, a person don't show their ignorance
Yeah.
inside it is.
Yes.
So when they see the shark teeth, they say, okay, that person don't mess with him.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
So it's not going to show you outside, but the teeth represent it.
Represent.
Right.
Wow. That's a great one.
Yeah.
Have you ever thought about that before, or you just
It
answered
just-
spontaneously?
I just answer it as it goes.
As it goes.
Right.
Wow. Yeah, man. So, what I like about art
Yeah.
and what I like about inspiration is when it can come spontaneously.
Right.
You know, because I do herbs. I deal with herbs, natural herbs and plants.
I do
You know, and you know, herbs doesn't work. What work for you
Yeah.
don't sometimes work for
that
somebody.
person. Right.
So if somebody come and say, you know, I have this issue,
Right.
you know, sometimes I'll
Give me
meditate
your
on it.
ideas, right.
You know, meditate on it, and I may go to my bed. I may get a dream. I may get a vision.
Yeah.
And that's how I deal with a situation. Like,
Right.
you know, sometimes my spirit doesn't even allow me to do anything about it. So sometimes I just leave it.
Yeah.
You know, so even though the person come to me, I may tell them that, you know, this is not for me.
Right.
Yeah, so I just leave it. So I love the whole spontaneity alive, you know, and that let me understand that you, Empress Jody, not doing this because of money.
No.
You know, you're doing it because of the love,
Right.
you know,
And make people happy.
and make people happy.
Right.
You know, because when somebody put on a bracelet
Right.
or put on a necklace, they take on that energy,
Right.
you know, and that energy become them.
Just
You
like
know?
that.
So sometimes even purchasing something from someone,
Yeah.
you can take on either a bad or a good energy.
Yeah.
You know?
Because I have customers come here
Yeah.
and they purchase like my herring and my necklace and they say, wow,
Yeah.
I don't find this nowhere, because I remember last month
Mhm.
I did make a necklace.
Mhm.
But the bead that I have is from St. Thomas and Cat it.
Yes.
And I made the necklace and I say, you know, if somebody come and want this necklace, I would definitely give them.
Yes.
And I put the necklace on my neck. And the lady come and she said, where do you get that to buy? I said, I don't buy it, I make it.
Yes.
She said, can I have it? I'm saying, sure.
Wow.
If I can make your day, you make my day. And I give it to her and she said, I will never forget it.
So you see that you didn't even have to go out and find somebody
No,
to give it.
they come right here.
Yes, so that's the energy of the ancestral spirit.
Yes.
You know?
Yeah.
You just even thinking about it.
Yeah.
Thinking of blessing somebody.
Yeah.
Or just speak it into
Right.
being, and then the spirit just lead that individual
Because I
to
was
come.
there and I was like, what am I gonna do with all these beads? I said no. And I have them on the table and this design just
Papa.
yeah. It's
Yeah.
like where is it so powerful? It's like anytime I said something, it just come right in my hand.
Yes. Yes.
And if I'm gonna go with a specific design, it's come with loves and meaning behind it because most people gravitate to bright colors and
Yes.
the colors have meanings as well along. So when you bind those colors together, it gives you a beautiful collection.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. And I am blessed too.
Yes,
You
you
know,
are.
because Empress Jody makes something on spot for me. Yeah, man. Blessings. Yeah, man. So, give thanks.
Every time.
Give thanks.
So you take those first and I get 20%. So okay, we can do something. So I'm gonna work on that.
So from early, she have her own business idea.
Kiki Tours.
Kiki Tours.
Right.
Wow, that's a great idea, Kiki. So, how did you come up with that idea, Kiki? Yeah? It just come to you just yeah? Yeah, you're a business person like mommy though. Yeah man, blessings. Well, I think you need to process it. Yeah man, you need to process it and help her to start it. You know, so also Kiki, you need to understand things about business. You know, because the principle of business, you know what the principle of business is? It's to make profit. What is profit? You know, or what is principal? The principal money is the money that you take to invest in the business. Do you understand that? Yes. So if you invest $500 into a business, say for instance you buy the beads and stuff, yeah, then you have to calculate when you make the product how much you're going to sell it for. So anything you make on the $500, that's the profit. So the $500 is the principal money, and the profit is anything that you make on the $500. All right. So the next maybe 15-20 years, I'll come and visit Kiki Tours. Is that so? Yes. So Empress Jody,
Yeah.
you need to think about that.
Yeah, she just come and she said, Mom, you know, I could have a website and call it Kiki Tours. I was
Yeah.
like, she just come to look at the blues and just pop it on this song.
Yes.
So I said that's a good idea because even though when you sit at home and on your laptop or your
Yes.
tablet, you could like post some beautiful part of the highlight with nobody have ever seen or heard about it. You could highlight it and just get tours here.
Yes.
Yeah, it's very nice.
And that's the idea she come up
And
with.
that's the idea that you come up with.
Wow.
And she
That's
said,
a great
"Kiki
idea.
Tours."
Kiki Tours. Yeah. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. When we were growing up and Kiki age,
Yeah.
what our parents tell us are what we see within the culture
Yeah.
is to come and work for people.
Yeah.
you know, come on, and you know, and I'm not against people working for other people, but when from early you can have an idea of what you want, and if at this age she know what she want, help her with it. Yeah man, plant the seed and it will bear fruit, you know. So how old Kiki is?
She's 9.
9-year-old. 9-year-old, and she's thinking entrepreneurship already. That's great. That's great. And you can see that she's here with you. And not only our body is here, our spirit is here.
A lot observative.
Yeah, a lot of kids her age now want to be somewhere playing with other friends and stuff. You know, but she understands from early that, you know, she need to give mommy the strength. And that's great. That's great. And also, Kiki, pay attention to your book, you know, because a good education, yeah, it will help you to be a good business woman, yeah, and be a great entrepreneur. All right, blessings. And from early you can understand the subjects that you need to do to pursue business. So one of the subjects you know reach us yet, but the principle of business. You know, pay attention to your mathematics and also your English. You know, because your English is a part of your culture. You know, and then as you go by, you know, yeah, and I'm sure that mommy will help you. Bless it.
I remember in my school days,
Yeah.
when I did have my locks and going to school, my principal, she gave me a hard time because she was saying, how could a wrestler be on top of the class and had a student in the school?
Yeah.
So each time when I'm getting my report and stuff like that, they want to give me back door. So my mom and my dad have to get involved every time.
Wow.
So in my school years, I have a little rough time and a good time as well.
Yeah, but that also help to motivate you.
Yes, that only made me get stronger
Make you
and
get stronger.
know myself and know where I'm standing and know what our culture is all about.
Yes. Positive vibration, you know.
Because my mom don't work. My mom is a farmer.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because my mom have 7 of us, 6 boys and 1 girl. So
Yes.
I'm not really a lot.
Wow.
So we grew up on a farm area.
Farm here.
So like carrot, cucumber, lettuce, tomato, string bean, a lot of food.
And she's still in St.
And
Thomas.
she still do her farming same way.
In St. Thomas.
In St. Thomas.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Hope you plant here little thing them
Yes,
around our
man,
backyard, you
that-
know.
Man, this man picked 6 sweet pepper off of my tree.
This morning.
Yeah.
Wow.
And so our papa was like, eat what you grow what you eat.
Eat what you grow,
Yeah.
grow what you eat. Yeah, man.
Even the same Aki them plant the tree and I get Aki from it.
Yeah.
It's really good for you. You can see the fruits beer and you personal picking. You feel so good.
Yeah.
Instead of go to the market, you don't know if they how much fertilizer you use or stuff like. So you don't have those things thinking about because you plant it.
Yeah.
The only fertilizer you need is the coconut trash, the onion trash, any other trash, pineapple, any trash. You throw it at the root.
Yeah.
And that's your protein and your vitamins and all the things.
And your minerals and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So, give thanks, Empress Jody, you know, for sharing your whole vision and your whole spontaneity to nature and serving people and making jewels, you know, and being a family woman, you know, and not forgetting your ancestral spirit and your grandparents' ideology of life. So continue being you and being a blessing to life. Blessings.